Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I will be discussing the Excel date function. Excel's date function can be used when you need to take three separate values and combine them to form a date. There are three requirements: year, month, and day. In this example, I have year, month, and day in my first three columns. I would like to have a formatted date in column D. I have put in a few rows which are an incorrect date or use negative numbers in the month and day. In cell D2, I will enter equals date, open parentheses, A2, comma B2, comma C2, close parentheses. When I enter the formula, my dates in rows 2 through 8 are now showing my preferred date format, which can be changed in your Excel settings. In row 6, you will see I have February as my month and 30 as my day. This is a date that could never happen. Excel date takes that information and creates a date that makes sense, adding the extra days in February to the final date format and giving us March 2nd, 2022. In rows 7 and 8, we are using negative numbers for month or day. By going negative on the month, Excel date will start at January and subtract 2 months, giving us October 10th, 2021. The same is true with days. Excel date will start at February 1st and work back 10 days, giving us January 21st, 2022. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.